Afternoon everyone, it's Rachel here, and I know I'm back with 2 more new kits. So Steph has been at it again with some labels. So did I print out all the pages? I think I did. Oh, maybe not. I should have 2 of those. Oh, I do. Excuse me. Okay, so the 2 pages with the bigger labels. I think there's 18 labels in the kit. So a lot of these he's created from zero, the actual label shapes, and then this one here. So that's a overview of all of the labels in the kit. And then I have them on a all on one page. So I have to turn it around so you can see. And then so medium sort of size, and then small, they're repeated twice. So that way you've got two lots of the smaller labels, which are very useful to use on things like tags and stuff like that. Where is it? Oh, I have another video which will be posted before you see this, where I prepared an accordion journal for Junk Journal January. I did put this label in, but that's not the colorway that I think. I wasn't sure which was the color. Steffi did it a bit brighter. So, but yeah, I did already stick one in, so I'm really pleased with that. And they're a lot of fun to play with. So the other one is something new for us. I'm very excited about it. So I have a lot of vintage and older sort of ephemera apart from the old letters. And so I just started playing around with it, and then Steph fixed it for me to do faux washi. And so we've got 2 pages of longer strips in all different widths. So this one's all different widths. And then we've got 1 horizontal page like this one, where they're just little strips like that, because I thought they'd be fun. Take them off and put them on the top as toppers on top of tags and things. And then another page where they're all wider and they're all the same width as well, and they're all different parts of pieces of ephemera that I have, and they're actual colors of the ephemera. So I thought they were really fun, and I'm going to print those on adhesive, like a full sheet adhesive transparency paper, and then it will be like colored sticky tape as well. So I'm really excited, like this one. So this is this has been cut up, but this is was a A4 transparency sheet, and I'll just peel off the edge here. So I printed just an old book page on there, so I can I don't have to mess about and make faux old, see, it's transparent, faux old sticky tape. I can just cut up my antique letter or piece of paper, and it looks like old sticky tape. So I thought these would be really cool printed on this. So I'm going to be doing that over the next few days, and you'll see me playing with that. So just 2 little kits. Yep, this one's 4 pages, and this one is 4 pages. No, this one's 3 pages. Excuse me, I tell a porcupine. And this one is 4 pages. So by the time this video goes up, they will be in my Etsy shop. So I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and yes, as I said, I've done my Junk Journal Junk Journal July first video today. I'll wait for Meg to put hers up, and then I'll put mine up. So thank you so much for watching, and then I'll see you again soon. Bye.